Hi you guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. If you haven't joined me before, my name is Molly and I do weekly meal prep videos for breakfast and for lunch. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the bell button so you don't miss all of my weekly videos. So this week I'm going to do a keto lunch. It's going to be a Parmesan garlic salmon. Then I'm going to have on the side cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to cook all of this in the oven. I have it preheating right now to 350 and I'm going to cook it on one cookie sheet so it's really easy for cleanup. I love recipes that are really easy to make and also really easy to clean up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the Parmesan with butter, mayonnaise, I have garlic powder and also some dried basil. So I'm going to make that up. I'll put it on top of the salmon before we get it cooking. All right, for the topping for the salmon, I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I have a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I have a teaspoon of dried basil. I have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I'm going to mix this all together, and once it's all combined, I'm going to add it on top of the salmon. So the salmon I'm going to put on a cookie sheet that is lined with parchment paper so it'll make cleanup super easy for this recipe. All right, now that the garlic Parmesan spread is on top of the salmon, I'm going to also put around the cauliflower and the Brussels sprouts around the side of the cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. So once this is all on, I'm going to put it into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, so the salmon and the veggies are out of the oven and they have cooled for a little bit. So now I'm gonna portion them into my meal prep containers. So I love these, they're glass, they're great size for lunch. So I have the link in my description box if you wanna check these out. So I'm going to put a little bit of the veggies and 1 piece of salmon in each container and our lunch will be ready for the week. All right, so lunch is portioned out into our meal containers for each day. So super healthy, keto-friendly salmon with a garlic Parmesan topping with the Brussels sprouts and cauliflower with it. So the description box will have the recipe for this one, so check that out if you want to make this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.